Vogue Academy. In this video, we are going to find the edges of the given image. So here one image given, that is flower.jpg. So this is image. Now we are going to find the edges in Python programming. So in Python programming, for doing image processing, we need a library that is called as Pillow. So first of all, install that Pillow library. So for that, go to File and into Settings. Now in the interpreter, we have some list of packages are there. Here there is no Pillow package. Now add that package. Now install this package. Wait a minute. Yeah, now it was installed successfully. Now it appears in the list of packages. Now come to the project folder. Now in the project folder, create one new Python file. So first of all, import Pillow and some methods from Pillow library. Okay. So Pillow can be defined as pill. So from Pillow, we are going to import one method that is called as image. I use capital. Okay. Next, so from pill, in that we have image filter is there. So from that, import find edges. This is the method. Okay. Now read this JPG first of all into the program. So by assigning one object, so let us assume that is X. So in that object, we are going to store that reading image. Image dot open. The file name is flower.jpg. So after that, we are going to apply the filter upon the image X. Then afterwards store into one new object, that is Y. So Y equal to, so upon X we are going to apply filter. The filter name is find edges. After applying the filter that was shown in Y, now save that image into the JPG format. This is Y dot save with new file name. I am taking as new. The format is JPG or JPEG or PNG. Now run the code. After that, it will appear here. Yeah, we got new image. Now see here, this is the original image. So in that image, we are finding the edges. So these are the edges of the given image, and this is process of writing a program upon the finding edges. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.